French Polynesian cuisine is a vibrant dance of flavors, where the sea's bounty meets the lushness of tropical groves. Each dish is a narrative of the people's bond with nature, a story told through the simplicity of ingredients like tuna, mahi-mahi, and the colorful parrotfish. The cuisine's heart lies in its minimalistic approach, where the freshness of the catch is the star. The island's fertile soils yield an array of tropical fruits that are culinary cornerstones. Coconuts, papayas, and the unique Fe'i bananas are more than just ingredients. They're cultural icons. These fruits, along with breadfruit and pineapples, bring a burst of flavor and nutrition to the Polynesian plate, reflecting the island's rich heritage. Spices and seasonings are the soul of French Polynesian cuisine. The tiar flower, ginger, vanilla, and lime are more than mere flavors. They're aromatic storytellers. Turmeric, or Reo Tahiti, not only adds color but also embodies the island's spiritual essence, the mana. The artful blend of these seasonings is a tribute to the island's diverse cultural tapestry. Poisson Cru is the epitome of French Polynesian culinary art, a symphony of raw fish, lime juice, and coconut milk. It's a dish that sings of the ocean's freshness. The Fe'i banana, with its rich hues and flavors, is a testament to the island's agricultural wisdom, a staple revered for its connection to the land and ancestors. The Polynesian relationship with the sea is sacred, reflected in fishing traditions that span from line fishing to spear fishing. These practices, coupled with meticulous preparation methods, ensure the ocean's gifts are honored. The preservation of food through fermentation and sun-drying is a cherished legacy, linking the present to a storied past. Food in French Polynesia is a celebration, a central element of festivities where communities unite to share in the joy of Tamara'a. These feasts are not just meals but expressions of mana, the life force that binds the universe. It's here, among the shared dishes and laughter, that the true spirit of Polynesian culture shines brightest. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.